नमस्कार। मैं सीए मनमोहन जिंदल, आपका दोस्त। आरबीआई has changed the frequency of reporting of credit information by the credit institutions like banks, etc., to credit information companies. So, while RBI direction dated August 8, 2024 means in this month only, which is applicable to all commercial banks, excluding payment banks, cooperative banks, financial institutions like Exim Bank, NABARD, etc., non-banking financial companies, including housing finance companies, asset reconstruction companies, or credit information companies. Change the frequency of reporting to the credit institutions, credit information companies by the credit institutions. So, as per the circular dated 15 January 2015, credit information companies and credit institutions to keep the credit information collected, maintained by them, updated regularly on a monthly basis, or at such shorter intervals as mutually agreed upon between the credit institutions or the credit information companies. So, RBI has considered that faster turnaround time in credit underwriting through digital process, it is very important that credit information reports provided by the CIC, जैसे CIBIL etc., credit information reflect a more current information, enabling lenders to make informed credit decisions. मतलब जो इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास एक महीने बाद आ रही थी, वह अब 15 दिन बाद आई. So, RBI has exercised its powers and directed the credit information companies and credit institutions that they should update now this information regularly on fortnightly basis. That is on 15th and last day of the respective month, or at such shorter intervals as mutually agreed upon between credit institutions and credit information companies. The fortnightly submission of credit information by CIs and CICs shall be ensured within 7 days, 7 calendar days. 7 because sometime 1 or 2 day holiday in between. So 7 calendar days of the relevant reporting fortnight. 15 तारीख की जो रिपोर्ट है वो अगले 7 कैलेंडर डेज में चली जानी चाहिए. It is a point of concurrent audit also. Concurrent auditor should check that whether the credit institution has submitted the report on fortnightly basis. However, this information has to complied after 1st January 2025, but at present it is on a monthly intervals. Further, RBI has directed that which information the CICs has to be ingested in their system within 7 calendar days, that is reduced to 5 calendar days after his receipts. Now, CIC shall provide a list of CIs, credit information companies, which are not adhering to the fortnightly data submission timelines to the Department of Supervision Reserve Bank of India Central Office at half-yearly intervals as on 31st March or September 30 each year for information and monitoring purpose. So जो बैंक 15 दिन के अंदर अंदर इस गाइडलाइंस को नहीं मानेंगे तो उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन क्रेडिट इंफॉर्मेशन कंपनीज आरबीआई को हाफ ईयरली बेसिस पर इन्फॉर्म करें. These instructions are effective from 1st January 2025. However, credit institutions and credit information companies are encouraged to give effect to these instructions as expeditiously as feasible, as early as possible, but not later than 1st January 2025. If the companies contravene or default in adherence to the above direction shall be liable for penal action as per the provisions of CICRA 2005. So this is the amendment in the reporting of the credit institutions to the credit information companies. So I feel that it is very useful to all the bankers or the staff working in the credit institutions, NBFC, etc. They have to update themselves as early as